Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, tap on the devices icon. Here select your Huawei Watch GT 4 from the list. On this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, and then tap on Unpair Device, and tap on Unpair. Now, check this box, tap on OK, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see Huawei Watch GT 4 on the list of my devices. Now, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And now we can close the settings, and at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.